Hey guys, welcome to another heating video on Homeowner Repair. And my name's Tony. In this video I'm going to tell you why it's important not to let your home heating oil fuel level in the tank get low and problems it can cause. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have a question, leave a comment on the video. We'll reply back to it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get all of our latest and greatest uploads. So if your home's heated by home heating oil and you have in your basement a boiler that heats up the water and it's forced hot water going through your house, you want to keep the level in your tank up there. You don't want it to get all the way down so that it's empty. Problems that can happen is if the fuel level gets all the way down and it's pretty close to being empty, it can suck up like some crud on the bottom of the tank, and usually there's some debris and some gross oil and stuff at the bottom of the tank that kind of settles there over time.
So at the bottom of the tank is where the fuel line comes out, and when the level of fuel gets all the way down there and you're really digging off the bottom, the crud inside the tank can clog this up pretty easily, or it can get into the filter right here and clog that up and start to cause problems. The oil feed to your furnace will become obstructed, and it'll cause your furnace to shut off.
Other things that it can do too is when Mr. Oil Guy comes trucking up to your house to throw some more fuel into your tank. When the fuel's going in, if it's that low and the furnace kicks on and the fuel starts to slosh around in there, it could grab an air pocket, suck it through the line, and now you've got an airlock situation, which, believe me, it's a pain in the butt to get out. It's happened to me. And, sometimes it can take you like an hour to get the thing out of the line because you got to keep purging and purging and purging, and it's a huge pain in the butt to get the flow of oil to go back through it again. So if you fill your oil tank back up, the level gets down like a quarter of a tank, there's still enough fuel in there, have it brought back up, you can avoid a lot of those problems. Another thing that can happen too is if a little piece of debris finds its way through all that stuff, through the filter, all the way through the line, it can clog up the nozzle too inside the burner, so that it'll obstruct the fuel stream, and that'll also shut the burner down. So these are kind of all bad things that can happen if you let the level of fuel get down too far in your oil tank. And I just kind of wanted to give you a heads up to tell you what can go wrong if it gets down there, and why you should keep the level up there so that these things don't happen. And it's important. So hope you liked the video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.